quick game, man. You got your boy Quanta Don coming at you with another sneaker forensic video, man. And today we're gonna get on the topic of these sneakers, man. It's always about sneakers, man. Always. So I'm gonna give y'all a few tips and tricks and ideas on how to be able to cop those University Blue Jordan 1s, man. But before we get in the video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that like button, as well as that notification bell, man. So ring that bell as well, man. Ring that bell, man. Your boy trying to get to those 500 subscribers, man. I'm getting there slowly but surely, man. I'm gonna make sure I get there. Definitely gonna put in the work, and I'm definitely gonna be doing a raffle, man. So I'm gonna try to raffle off 3 pair of sneakers once I get to 500, man. So get me to that 500 mark. I'm telling y'all, we're gonna have the raffles popping. You did. Make sure you be commenting in the comment section as well, because I'm gonna be watching that. You feel me? I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna get the raffle going, but it's definitely gonna be a legit raffle. Believe me, it's gonna be fair. But anyway, we came for those Jordan 1s, man. We came for those University Blue Jordan 1s. March Jordan lineup don't look too great. You know what I'm saying? It don't look too great. Doesn't look like much that the resellers would want, or a lot of the hype beasts would want. You feel me? It doesn't look like that. So I mean, there'll be a lot of cops in March. As far as these University Blue Jordan 1s, not the same. You feel me? Definitely gonna go fast. Definitely gonna go fast. I don't care if they are supposed to be a GR. I don't care if they are supposed to be full family sizes. I don't care. Believe me when I say this, man. They're gonna go fast. If you sitting on your behind like, oh yeah, you waiting, you man, you're a gang, and you want to chill on your behind and be like, well, I'm just going to get on the computer and see if I could get a pair. It's not going to be like that, man. It's not going to be like that. They're going to eat them up. They're going to eat them up. Trust me. Trust me. I feel like most people will have better chances going on sneakers than a lot of these other foot sites, because the bots are going to kill it, man. The bots are going to freaking kill it. Believe me when I say this. You definitely have to put in the work. You have to put in the work. Okay? You want these sneakers, man. You want these mofos. You got to put in the work for them. You did? Because they're going to be hard. They're not going to be easy, man. They're not going to be easy. It's an OG colorway. Not necessarily OG. I'm not going to really say OG, but it's a University Blue colorway, man. And I'm telling you, it's like a UNC colorway. You feel me? So Jordan hand in hand with that colorway. So I mean, I would say it's not as popular as that Chicago red colorway, but it's a familiar color scheme. It's a familiar colorway. You feel me? It's a little different color scheme. I love it, man. I like it. They look good. They look crispy. They look fresh. You know what I'm saying? They look like the materials on them are okay. They look decent. Believe the hype beast YouTubers, they're gonna hype them up. That's what they're gonna do. That's their job, man. They get paid off of that. Understand? They get paid for doing these videos, man. You feel me? Sponsorships, all that. So, you know, listen to them at your own risk when it comes to certain sneakers. I'm even saying you gotta listen to me. I'm just keeping it 100. You feel me? This is just me speaking as a person who cop for himself. I don't resell. I don't do it for YouTube. This is my collection. I just love collecting shoes. So this is just something I do, and I want to share it with YouTube. That's just how I do it. You know, another thing, man, you definitely, another way to be able to cop a lot of these sneakers, man, and definitely want to go out them University Blues, you want to think like a reseller, man. We always talk about these resellers. We always talk down on these resellers. I find myself doing it sometimes when I'm frustrated, but at the same time, we can't blame the resellers for knowing what they know, man. We can't blame the resellers for knowing what they know, getting that first, you know, figuring that out first, and being able to, you know, make a little professional job out of it, a career out of it, and make some money. We can't be mad. These shoes definitely gonna be backdoored. These shoes definitely gonna be to a point where a lot of stores not even gonna get their shipment. These shoes, listen, it's gonna be a lot, man. So like I said, you gotta think like a reseller. You gotta put in the work now. Like, you gotta put in the work like right now to get a pair of these shoes. You feel me? Do your research, do everything you can into your raffles, free raffles, paid raffles. I don't care what type of raffles, Instagram raffles, Hibbit, Foot Locker, you feel me? Listen, Shoe Palace, all that. I don't know if do Shoe Palace got raffles? I don't know, I don't care. I don't really shop at Shoe Palace. But like I said, you want to put your work in. You got to put the leg work in. You got to put the foot work in. You can't just be sitting here waiting to sit in front of a computer and be like, nah, man, you're not going to get them that way. I'm going to do these the same way I did for the MOCHAS. Like, I went crazy putting in the work for the MOCHAS. I don't care what I had to do. Like, I called around. Like, you want to call around, you want to network, you want to talk to people, keep conversations, hold conversations when you go to these foot sites, to these foot stores. Man, listen. It go a long way. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. That go a long way. That go a long way. Maybe not today in today's time, but back then it used to go a long way. You feel me? Like, I understand it's tough. It could be a headache. It could be a headache trying to get shoes now, man. But you gotta take it for what it is, man. You gotta take it for what it is. Things change, times change. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't stay the same. You gotta take it for what it is, and you know, adapt to it. So when I say think like a reseller, I mean, you feel me? Think about the worst that can happen. When you're going after these sneakers, now in today's time, just think about the worst that can happen, and I bet you get your behind up and go get them. You feel me? You gonna have them. Take my word for it. I do it all the time. I do it all the time, especially for the sneakers that I really be wanting. You feel me? And no hype beat stuff. It could be a lot of stuff that people be calling bricks, and I really be wanting because I just want them for myself, you dig? But you gotta put in the work, man. Everything's selling out nowadays, man. These gonna go. These gonna go. You know they gonna go. But yeah, like I say, it's a crazy year. You feel me? I'm just gonna give you my advice. This is just my advice. You feel me? I'm not doing no magic. It's my advice. If you put forth effort to something, you're gonna have it. You're gonna get it. Whether it's later, whether it's now, whether it's next year, whether it's 2 years from now, you're gonna get it. And I mean, obviously nobody wanna wait that long for sneakers, but you definitely wanna put the work in. You feel me? Nothing's gonna fall in your lap, especially not today. It's not gonna fall in your lap. These are not gonna fall in your lap. They're gonna sell out. Kids' size are gonna sell out. Tyler size is gonna go crazy. Everything's gonna go crazy. You dig? I've seen YouTubers I've watched a few YouTubers pay like $600, $700, $800 just to get these things early and get them out the way. That's what they want to do? By all means, you feel me? That's what you want to do? Okay. That's not what I'm finna do. I'm not dropping that bad for them. Retail game, bruh. Retail game. I'm trying to get them for retail. If I can't get them for retail, then I might, put my hand in a little resale pot. You feel me? And I still won't be losing anything because, believe me, these shoes will go up in value. They definitely gonna go up in value. You feel me? So you'll get your money's worth whether you paid $40, $50 over retail, you feel me? $60. Within the next few years, they're gonna go up in price. And that's only for the people who are planning to make money off these shoes. You feel me? They're gonna go up, man. So do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. And you don't even need YouTubers to hype this shoe. You just gotta have that knowledge to know that these shoes are gonna be hyped, whether the YouTubes hype it up, it's a beautiful sneaker. The visuals of this sneaker is beautiful. The color blocking is amazing. I just love it. That's all I gotta say. It's gonna be crazy, man. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Spend your money how you wanna spend it though. But anyway, as I say, and as I always say, man, it's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love, sneaker gang. It don't cost a thing to show love. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my soul, quick gang. We up out of here, man. You heard.